Okay, this part of the video will show the steel components that's used in the tail feathers of the aircraft, and also the fuselage H section. This H section the builder will install inside of the boom tube, exactly where the tube exits the fuselage cage. It's 4130 chromoly steel. Next in line, the horizontal stabilizer mounting brackets that we manufacture as standard kit part. We'll rivet to the side of the fuselage tube, and that's where the front of the horizontal stabilizers attach. Left hand and right hand. We do not use the stainless steel L hinge there any longer on the fuselage tube. We supply these adjustable brackets for different engine options to position the tail. Next, we have the elevator horns, same as the drag strut horns. It's a welded 4130 chromoly steel fitting that plugs into the leading edge of the elevator and connects to this piece, the elevator control mechanism. Connects on the ends like this with an AN5 23A bolt and spacers. So this we call the elevator control mechanism that pivots and controls your elevators. 4130 chromoly steel. Next piece, we have the tail post. This is a welded 4130 chromoly steel tail post. This is the heart of the tail feathers. That's where your 6-inch fuselage tube will plug on there, and then your vertical builds off of the top tube here, and then your tail wheel rod for your tail wheel runs out the bottom here. It's the heart of the tail feathers, 4130 chromoly steel tail post. Then we have the rudder horn. That too is a 4130 chromoly steel horn we manufacture here at the new Kolb aircraft. It's laser cut 4130, punched, ready to rivet on the rudder assembly and go. Last will be the horn for the bottom of the rudder, the tail wheel horn. This plugs in the bottom tube of the rudder, and you drill and attach your springs and chains for your tail wheel. 4130 chromoly steel. This segment of the little video here on YouTube of the Mark III Xtra Kit 1 wing and tail will show you a few of the parts that are made out of aluminum that we manufacture here in our shop. We manufacture and bend for you all of the top false ribs, bottom false ribs, wing ribs, full complete ribs ready to slide over the spar tube and drill rivet in place. That's all done for you in the basic kit. You get a bundle of these. I'm only showing one of each here on the video. Got your conduit guides for the push-pull cables, pre-made aileron horns, stabilizer gussets, pre-cut, root rib cambers. These two pieces actually install on the front of the steel root rib, inboard rib. We bend those for you. Got the stampings for the gap seal root ribs. Got your drag strut gussets here that Dennis makes out of the 063. Trim for you and ready to install. Got the aluminum box framework for the inspection for the aileron connection of the control cable. It's in two pieces. Then we do the fiberglass panels. You cut these up. It's all hand laid glass. And the AN hardware. These two containers will be with the kit 1. They're only the hardware required in the wing and tail. Everything's packaged, counted, labeled for you. Wing spar bolts for the 8 sections. This will show you the stainless steel pop rivets. 1/8 by 1/8, 1/8 by 1/4, 1/8 by 3/8, 1/8 by 1/2 inch. Stainless steel pop rivets. Pre-packed for you, and it's a good idea to find like a container for each size and dump them out of the plastic Ziplocs into your containers and set them on your workstation. That and your AN hardware that is supplied with the wing and tail. It's 2 containers, as I had previously mentioned in the last segment. We're kind of proud of our kits here, how we package this stuff for the guys. Instead of just using Ziploc bags, we package it in these containers, set them on your workstation, and you're ready to go. And it's labeled for you. You know, the inside has an overlay that's labeled. It's much user friendly. This does the wings and tail feathers. These 2 containers as far as your AN needs. Last segment of the MIII Xtra Kit 1 wing and tail content. This is the cardboard tube that is packed, ready for us to put the end caps on. What is shipped in this tube is your 2 spars, the wing spars, on the left and right there. There is the fuselage tube with the streamlined vinyl lift strut covers inside. And then all the other, there's lift strut stock. Then you've got all your other tubes like leading, trailing edge, and all the tube required to build the leading, trailing edge of the elevators, horizontals, verticals, and rudder. It's all packed in this tube here. And we're proud of that. We have a pretty good history of the shipping them out this way. Cardboard's very, it's a very thick material. It's like a 1/2 inch thick. We put a wood end cap in. So I can ship a wing and tail kit for the MIII X in this tube that you're looking at here, freight truck, and then 2 UPS boxes. That's it. If you want to start your wing and tail, and you could wait a few months before you order the fuselage kit, which I'm going to do the fuselage kit content in the next video. I'm actually packing up 2 MIII X kits right now. One's going to Australia and the other one to California. And I'm going to do all those components in the next video here on YouTube. I really appreciate the interest in this very well thought of old design that's we want to keep in the sky forever. And thanks for watching very much. Phone number 606-862-9692. Email is customersupport@tnkolbaircraft.com. My name is Travis, and thanks again for watching.